Jai Gurudev students, very good morning to all of you. Hope you all are safe and fine. Students, today I will explain you again chapter 3, Rural Life and the British. In the last class, students, I have discussed and explained you about the land settlement system. How many settlement system are there? There are 3 settlement system. First is Zamindari, second Munro, and the third one is Mahalwari system. In this class, I will explain you the revenue system and their impact on the life of the people. The first impact is fragmentation of land. Students, this point shows that due to settlement system, the farmers sell their land and it is distributed in small parts. For example, due to the burden of the rent, the farmers sell their land to some other person. When they sell short land, it results in fragmentation. Fragmentation का मतलब होता है छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर देना. तो किसी की बड़ी लैंड को छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर देते थे. क्यों? कि फार्मर्स अपनी लैंड को सेल ऑफ करते थे. सेकेंड वन इज एब्सेंटी लैंडलॉर्ड एंड डिग्रेडेशन ऑफ लैंड. Students, absentee landlords refer to zamindars have full interest only on the collection of interest or collection of rent, जिसकी वजह से due to that they don't give any kind of interest in improvement of land, जिसकी वजह से the quality of land is being degraded. Okay students, now next is commercialization of crop. Students, commercialization of crops refers to growing of commercial crop. मतलब commercial crops को grow करना. What are the commercial crops? Indigo. Indigo is that crop which is used in the factories to produce the textile. So, the farmers grow only commercial crops, which results in the shortage of food. क्यों shortage of food क्यों हुआ? Commercialization of crops होने की वजह से. Because they don't grow the food crops, they only grow commercial crops. So, shortage of food will happen. Okay, so these are the impact of revenue system during that period.